Hi guys, welcome back to a new video here on the channel. My name is Dan from Crypto Rover and welcome back to the new video here on the channel. Today we're gonna discuss something about the Bitcoin dominance because it's showing us some signs that the altcoin season is maybe going to start rather sooner than later. So if you're interested, make sure to watch the whole video, leave a like, leave a subscribe, and yeah, let's get into the video. So yesterday night we were streaming. And as predicted, the Bitcoin price went down a bit. We already discussed it in the live stream that the Bitcoin price had a little bit more room to go to the downside, rather than if you followed yesterday's stream, you maybe made some nice gains if you open a trade over there. So yeah, make sure to subscribe to us, like the video, so we can push this content to more people. And yeah, we just like to get supported because that shows us that we not doing this for ourselves, but you guys are really benefiting of the community here of Crypto Rover. So, and of course, we want to help you guys to crush this market as well, because we are here to help you. So without further ado, let's get into the Bitcoin chart real quick to give you a quick update what happened here last night. So Bitcoin had a clear bounce here from the Fibonacci extension tool at the 1.618 level, as already predicted yesterday night in the stream. And it was a clear bounce, and now we see some more upwards momentum. So if Bitcoin is going to go push higher, we first want to break this 32.7k level, but I don't think it's really likely that Bitcoin will go higher. I think we're still in this below the 50 rate here of the RSI, so it's showing us we are in a downwards move right now. And if we break this 50 level here in the RSI, I'm maybe flipping bullish once again, but now I'm still bearish on Bitcoin. But let's go into the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, so it's really interesting what is happening right now in the Bitcoin dominance chart, because you can see this downwards sloping resistance line here. We had multiple touch points, multiple 4 times. And when we broke above it, we went sky high, and now we're testing it once again. This is on the weekly time frame. But we can also watch it on a lower time frame. Let's do it on the daily here. So it's getting real interesting because this is the point of decision. If we want alt season to start, we really want to go below and close a daily candle, at least a daily candle below, and maybe retest this resistance line once again. So it's going to be interesting. We first have to break the support if we want the alt season to start, because we can also maybe get a bounce from here and move higher again with the Bitcoin dominance. But because me and my team, yeah, we already accumulate more altcoins when we broke this descending triangle here, what we also discussed in yesterday's stream and yesterday's video on the channel. So if you haven't watched it already, make sure to watch it. Okay, so we already got an entry over here. So we're thinking to just ride it because there's a big possibility that we are going below this resistance line, and it will give us some insane gains. Okay, so another thing to keep in mind is this weekly moving average here on the Bitcoin dominance chart, because this is really interesting. So every time we hit it, we go all the way down or we go all the way up, as you can see here. So it acts as really good resistance and support, and is a really good leading indicator here in the chart, because as you can see, when we are below it, it acts as resistance, and it's really good resistance for the altcoins, because every time we hit it as Bitcoin dominance, we go much lower, much lower. So when we went above it here, we went above it and we immediately surged to the upside. It was a clear point. It was 40% on the Bitcoin dominance. So that's quite a lot for the Bitcoin dominance. And since then, here we went sideways, went above it and retested it, went higher. Here you can also see it. We went below it, touched it once again. We went lower, touched it once again, went lower, fake out. And here, when we broke it, we touched it once again and went higher. So that's a good thing to keep in mind also, because this line is also really close to the resistance line here. So this can maybe act as a really heavy resistance for the Bitcoin dominance. So maybe we aren't seeing alt season starting yet. But if we break this, if we break this line here, if we break this line and we manage to break this blue moving average here, this weekly moving average here, we're going to go much lower in the Bitcoin dominance. And that will indicate Ethereum and even all the other altcoins going sky high. Because so if we look to Link here, Link gives us good buying opportunities right here at this red support box. Really good position to buy. As you can see, resistance, resistance, support, and once again support. So you could make a trade last night because it was hitting the support box here, and it's also meeting demand line. So the demand line is also showing a good place to buy some more link or even open a trade on link. So if you want to open a trade on link here, you want to first break this downwards moving resistance line with multiple touch points here. So if we can break this, maybe we will go higher. And if we get rejected, I would recommend not financial advice, but I myself will open a trade over around here. So if you would like to see me trading live here with you guys and helping you guys out with making insane gains in the market, make sure to just leave a like and tell me in the comments. So also looking to Cardano. Cardano also looking so bullish. It met the demand line once again. 3 touches. Valid support line. It's a lot of demand here for ADA Cardano. So also it was showing us a bullish divergence first with this pattern here, but it's not really valid because Bitcoin dumped last night. So that's unfortunate. Okay, so yesterday in the stream we also discussed Polkadot. Polkadot is a really interesting project, and the chart is showing us some really bullish signs here, because yesterday we met the support line. So when we met the support line, we went higher immediately, and we are also above this resistance line. So for Polkadot is showing us some good momentum to grow. Also the indicators are just going down. That's also indicating Polkadot is just cooling off and making itself ready for another move. So Polkadot is one to watch as well. So yesterday a subscriber asked us if we could take a look at GFi, and it was really interesting because we were looking into it and we made this chart here, and it's actually showed us a big buying opportunity right here at the exact moment of the stream, because we were telling him there's a bullish divergence here on GFi. So it's most likely gonna bounce and gonna go into some upwards momentum. And it did exactly the thing we predicted. So it was really nice that we could see this move here to the upside. And it was really nice that we could help our members out with some technical analysis. Okay, that was it already for the video of today. So if you enjoyed it, make sure to smash the thumbs up and ring the bell. And if you have any video ideas or questions to me, make sure to drop them in the comments below. And I will see you in the next one.